Removing rust spots from a car is important for maintaining its appearance and preventing further damage, and here's how to do it. Number one, gather supplies. You're going to need sandpaper, various grits, a wire brush, rust converter, primer, touch-up paint, and clear coat. Number two, clean the area. Wash the rusted area with soap and water to remove dirt and debris. Dry it completely. Number three, sand and rust. Use coarse sandpaper around 80 grit to sand off the rust until you reach bare metal. Follow up with finer sandpaper around 320 grit for a smoother finish. Number four, apply the rust converter. You know what that is? If any rust remains, apply a rust converter according to its instructions, and it'll help stop the rust process. Number five, prime the surface. Once dry, apply a rust-inhibiting primer to protect the area and allow it to dry completely. Number six, paint the spot. So basically use touch-up paint that matches your car's color. Apply thin layers, letting each coat dry before the next. Number seven, seal and clear coat. After the paint is dry, apply a clear coat for extra protection and shine. Number eight, regular maintenance. Wash and wax your car regularly to prevent future rust spots. By following these steps, you can effectively remove rust spots and protect your car.